tutorial will give you a brief rundown on how to read and write legal citations. My name is Bill Spradlin. I'm a paralegal specialist at the James J. Lunsford Law Library located in downtown Tampa at 701 East Twig Street. Citations are how you would reference a specific case, statute, treatise, and any legal document. Having a uniform system makes it easy to retrieve the cited document. Shown on the left is the Blue Book, a uniform system of citations. On the right is Prince's Dictionary of Legal Citations. Even with these two books, you will not find a citation for every publication, but they will show you the format for creating a legal citation. YouTube has several videos on using the Blue Book, which is the most uniform system used. When using online services such as Westlaw, the citation will automatically be provided. Some print material will provide the citation in the contents page, but you may have to create the citation yourself. Here is the format for reported cases. If you wrote any research papers in school, you are already familiar with citing a reference. The same basic format is true for legal citation. As shown here, the case name, reporter, volume, reporter name, first page of the case, and the year of the decision make up the citation. So you would read the citation as Portland Tribune versus University of Oregon, volume 470 of the Supreme Court Reporter, page 584, decision rendered in 1999. On the left is the citation for the United States Code, and on the right is the citation for the United States Code annotated, published by West. Both sites refer to the title number, abbreviation of code, section number, code year, and in the case of the USCA, the publisher's name. The USC is the official code, and the publisher does not need to be specified. The odd-looking symbol that looks like two overlapping S's is the standard symbol for section. So here we're going to read this as, with the U.S. Code, Title VII, USC, which stands for United States Code. The double little squiggly marks is the section symbol. 281 is the section itself, 2018 being the year of that code publication. On the right of that, you'll see for the United States Code annotated. Again, it's still Title VII, but we have USCA, the A indicating that it's annotated. Again, the double S squiggly symbol, which refers to the section 281. West in parentheses, with 218 being the year, West being the publisher. .800 Florida Rules of Appellate Procedure provides the accepted citations for the state of Florida. As shown in the rule, you would cite this as FLA, period, R, period, APP, period, P, period, 9.800. You could include the year after this, just to cover all bases. Check the rules for whatever jurisdiction you are filing in to see if they provide a citation system. I also recommend watching your video tutorial on court rules, as you will have to follow the appropriate rules in any legal proceeding. Here you see both statutory and case law citations for Florida. The citations shown here were taken directly from the Florida Rules of Appellate Procedure 9.800. Just so that you can get an idea of the variations, for instance, under the Constitution, you would actually cite the article, which would be ART period. In Roman numerals, the article number. Then you would have the symbol section, those two little squiggly double S's. And after that would be the actual section number, in this case being 3, paren B, paren 3, FLA period for Florida, CONST for Constitution. Over here for the cases, we would look at the circuit court cases are a little bit different. This Florida Circuit Courts, State v. Rofe, 17, FLA, period, L, period, weekly, sup, SUPP 619. The trial court cases are very few and far between as far as what is reported, so this is one you don't see as often, but sometimes that's all that you can find. You're still following the same basic format, the 17 being your volume number, the FLA L Weekly Sup being the title, the Florida Law Weekly Supplement, and 619 being the page number. And then in parens, we have the court FLA Florida 17th Circuit Court and the date February 13th, 2010. So you've got your full citation there, you know what court it came from, and the date that the opinion was rendered. As seen on the left is the Blue Book format for citing a treatise. A treatise is a fancy word for a book. It can be single volume or multi-volume. Some treatises, as shown on the right, will give you the citation format in the contents page. Others you may have to create the citation yourself. Thank you for watching Part 2 Print Research Materials. Join us for Part 3 where we will begin to learn about our digital resources, starting with Westlaw.